If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I post a lot of vocabulary there and that I make YouTube videos to pronounce those words. And this is one of those videos. Today we're having some common Arabic vocabulary related to time. For much more words, follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. And if you don't know me, my name is Abdurrahman. You can call me Abdu. I am your Egyptian friend. And let's not waste any time and start right away. So now we will start with the family members. So let's start with the first word. Father. In Arabic it means ab. Very simple words. Just 2 letters. Ab. Next family member is mother, which is And brother in Arabic it means akh. A sister in Arabic it means ukht. And a son in Arabic it means ibn. A daughter in Arabic it means ibnah. It's just ibn plus ita marbuta. Ibnah. So now let's move on to some time vocabulary. So the time itself, it means al-waqt. A clock in Arabic means sa'a. Also an hour in Arabic means sa'a. Same word. So sa'a can mean a clock or an hour. Sa'a. And a minute in Arabic it means daqiqa. And a second in Arabic means thaniya. A day in Arabic means yawm. And a night in Arabic means layla. A month in Arabic means shahr. So the month of Ramadan, it means shahru Ramadan. And a year in Arabic means sana. So now let's go take some common Arabic nouns. A phone in Arabic means hatif. And a pillow in Arabic means wisada. And money in Arabic means nuqud. A sky in Arabic means sama. And sun in Arabic means shams. Moon in Arabic means qamar. And a star in Arabic means najm. So the plural of stars means nujum. Najm, nujum. And ground in Arabic means ard. And a wall in Arabic means jidar. Teacher in Arabic means muallim. And a female teacher in Arabic, we add a ta marbuta at the end. Muallimah. It's just muallim plus muallima. And now let's take 2 sets of adjectives in Arabic. So smiling in Arabic means mubtasim. And if female is smiling, we say mubtasimah. We add an at the end. Mubtasim for a male, mubtasimah for a female. Both smiling. And if a group of people are smiling, we say mubtasimun. If someone is depressed, we say mukta'ib. And if a female is depressed, she is mukta'ibah. And if a group of people are depressed, they are mukta'ibun. That was it for today. If you like that video, please hit subscribe and hit the bell button because you're going to see some other vocabulary videos soon. And until I see you then, Assalamu alaikum.